it's Tanya with Red Cardinal Crafts, and I just got a package in the mail. I gotta stop buying stuff on Amazon. They just make it way too easy. This is a ring light because my children tell me all the time that I don't have good lighting in this room. I saw a review on this the other day. I know you can get ring lights for like 200 bucks. I'm a $35 kind of person. This is the brand UB size. Alright, so when we open it up, it's shifted around in the box a little bit, but there you go. You get a little tripod stand. It's sort of fake metal. It'd be like the type of metal of a music stand. You know, like the music stands we had in school? I'd kind of describe it like that, but sturdy. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 little things that you can open up, and each one opens to about, I just have a 6-inch ruler, to about 8 inches. So if I sit it down on the ground, it goes up this high. If I stand up, it's up to here. I'm about 5'3", so it goes up to a good, I'd say 4-ish feet, 4.5 feet. I'm hoping to kind of have this on my desk. These feel fairly secure. They snap closed. And then this thing up at the top here, I always hit my lights. This swivels, so that's good. I don't have it too loose. It's very plasticky feeling, but again, $35. And it's just gonna be, just to give some more light to my desk area. My lights are horrible. Okay, in here you get a little cell phone holder thing, which you could, where's my phone? Oh, my husband's on my phone right now, calling my mother-in-law. Inside the little package, you get whatever this is. Oh, here we go. I think this is another phone holder. So this one here has a little screw in the bottom. It looks like that. And then this one here opens like this and is attached to this thing. It's on a little ball, which you can you loosen it? You can loosen it. It rotates around. So this, from what I saw in that review, you have a little clip thing that opens. Sorry, I'm doing this all very awkwardly. This thing is meant, as far as I know, to go around probably the narrow part of this pole, and then you can clip it in there. So that's kind of cool. And then you get a little remote. It says iOS and it says Android on there. This is the Quick Pick Bluetooth remote shutter. Huh. You can pair it, turn on your phone's Bluetooth setting. Oh, that's so cool. So this is a 7.9-inch ring light with tripod stand. There it is there. I bought this yesterday on Amazon, and I told them to just send it free shipping for it to arrive tomorrow, and it got here today, so I'm quite impressed with that. The little instructions, little assembly instructions that you get with it. Now we have the light. Here is the light, and this is what it looks like. Let's see, here's my 6-inch ruler. So your clearance inside is pretty much exactly 6 inches. The ring light itself is like 7/8 of an inch. This is like a plastic, it's like a frosted thing on there. You have your cord. Your cord is a USB port. It's not a plug. So I did see people say that it's not going to give you great brightness because it is just a USB cord. And then you have controls on the cord here. And this changes it, let me get this right, where's my instructions? This changes it from, well, on and off, brightness down, brightness up, and the lighting color switch. So you can change it from, does it say? Doesn't say, but I think it's like a bright white, a softer light, and a soft white or something. Totally making that up. I'm not really sure. Okay, so this has a little ball thing on there. You can swivel that. It has a little screw thing on the bottom. And then this screws into here, I assume. This thing has a little turny button thing there that you can use to screw this in. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Alright, okay. So now that's on there. We can tip it with this and adjust it. People were complaining online that that wasn't very secure, but I think it is. I'm going to lower it down so you can see it. This might actually be a good time of day to be testing this. Cool. Alright, so now let's plug this in. Well, please excuse the mess of my craft room right now. It's a hot mess. Okay, so I just have a USB plug under my desk. So it's plugged into the wall with that. Alright, now let's turn this on. Ooh, fun. The cord's short. See how it's lighting up, the blue light? Alright, so that's the power button. Oh, dear God. I wasn't expecting it to be that bright right away. I thought it would take a minute to warm up. Oh, okay. First problem is it's really tall, and I can't make this go down much more, can I? Oh, yeah. Wow, that's bright. Okay, so now we're going to go to a different lighting. Ooh. I'm going to turn it a little bit like this so you can see the glow. So that's more of the orangey glow. I'll leave it on me. I guess you can see the edge of the light. And then this is, maybe that's the bright white. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3. And if I go to this, that's more like a blue light. And that's a soft white light. So if I hit the down button, you can lower the intensity of it. That is really cool. So, okay, it's on the lowest part now, so you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. So it's like you can move it like 9 times. And you can do that on each of the settings. So this is the other lighting, and then I'm going to flip it to the more orangey glow and then turn it up from there. Hang on, turn it down again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, so 9 times. That's really cool. It's quite intense. So my plan, let me just move it over here where you guys are, is to somehow have it set up. Gotta love the cords. Alright, so my plan is to kind of have it set up like this around the camera. And how can I show you what that looks like? I can't because my husband has my phone right now. But, so the space in the middle is 6 inches and my camera lens is only about 2 of that. So there's a good few inches on the other side. So that's really cool. So let's see. Let me turn this light off and just see. So this is just daylight and a little light in my room. Alright, so let's try. That's the cool light. Wow, this is bright. And that's the bluish light. And that's the warm light. So I think this one's a soft white. A cool... God, I wish they would just tell me what it was. Why doesn't it say? So what do you think? I think I like it. And then, when I'm doing my artwork... Ooh, that's nice and crisp. I like this one. This is the... I think this is a soft light. This is more of a blue light. This one here. Then there's the orangey one, which is kind of what my lighting is usually. And then this nice bright light. Very cool. So, I'm happy with this thing. For 35 bucks, I think that's pretty cool. I mean, it's not like I'm taking it anywhere. Like, I'm not gonna travel with the thing, but I could. It's light enough that I could. And it would probably, well, except for the round part, it would fit in like a little tripod bag. But yeah, that's kind of cool. And then, like I said, this thing here, you can open this part up, and then this phone thing hooks on here. Just kind of, you just push it on there. Oh yeah, there we go. All right, cool. And then you just buckle it to the thing, and then your phone can go on there, and you can twist it either way. So then your phone's on there along with your light if you want. I'll probably never use that because I film on my camera as long as this camera's gonna last, because this camera makes me crazy. It has this rotating ball thing on the top, so you can tip this any which way, and it has the little dent in the side, so you could have it going this way. And then you have this one at the top of the tripod, and you can have that hang over the top like this. So I could film, or not film, but yeah, like right over top of my artwork, which is really cool. It's the next morning, and I'm trying to get ready for work, and I have to drive my daughter to the train station. She has to go back to university in Canada. So I've got a few minutes here, and I thought I would test the light in darkness. So here's my room in pitch black. Ooh. So here we go again. This is the soft white. Let me put it around my camera. I will have a much better setup when I actually go to use this thing. Alright, let's see if I can get it like this around the camera. So that is the softest white. Then we have the blue light, and then we have the ring light. So I just wanted you to see what it's like in total darkness in my craft room. So I hope that helped you. Oh, and the other thing I was going to show you is the little remote. So you put this on with your phone. There's a little, at least there was, there's a little blue light, and it'll flash, find your phone. It shows up UB size, and I just say to connect. It's in range. I'm right next to you. Hello? You're right there. Oh, come on. You are in range. There we go. Okay, so we're connected. That might have been me. Okay, and then you put your camera on, and look it. It'll take a photo. Watch. How fun is that? And then you can set your camera to video, and you can see the counter there. Ah, it records off your phone. How fun is that? So this is the UV size. I will put the link down below. There it is, showing how it's holding a phone. But I think for 35 bucks that is pretty cool. So check it out. It was on Amazon. Like I said, I think it was like $35.99, something like that. And I like it. It's small enough. It's going to work. It's going to do what I need. And yeah, so hopefully my videos will look a little bit better. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back with some more videos soon. All right. Take care, guys. See ya.